Lifebuoys are essential personal life-saving appliances carried on ships to provide immediate flotation support to a person who has fallen overboard. Under SOLAS Chapter 3, all lifebuoys and their associated equipment must comply with the International Life-Saving Appliance Code. Their number and arrangement depend on the ship type, size, and applicable SOLAS requirements, but they must always be distributed so that they are readily available on both sides of the ship and, as far as practicable, on open decks extending to the ship's side. At least one lifebuoy should be placed near the stern, and lifebuoys must be capable of being rapidly cast loose and must not be permanently secured. A SOLAS-compliant lifebuoy must be made of inherently buoyant material and must not depend on inflation or loose filling for buoyancy. It must have an outside diameter of not more than 800 millimeters and an inside diameter of not less than 400 millimeters, support at least 14.5 kilograms of iron in fresh water for 24 hours, have a minimum mass of 2.5 kilograms, resist brief exposure to fire, and withstand dropping from its stowage height or 30 meters, whichever is greater. Each lifebuoy must also have a grab line secured around it, and it must be clearly marked in Roman capital letters with the ship's name and port of registry. At least one lifebuoy on each side of the ship must be fitted with a buoyant lifeline. The lifeline should be non-kinking, at least 8 millimeters in diameter, have a breaking strength of at least 5 kilonewtons, and be not less than 30 meters or twice the stowage height above the lightest seagoing waterline, whichever is greater. Not less than half of the lifebuoys must have self-igniting lights, and at least 2 must also have self-activating smoke signals capable of quick release from the navigation bridge. Lifebuoys fitted with lights or light and smoke signals should be equally distributed on both sides and must not be the same lifebuoys fitted with lifelines. Crew members must know the location and correct use of lifebuoys. During a man-overboard emergency, the nearest lifebuoy should be thrown immediately toward the casualty, the alarm raised, the bridge informed, and the vessel's MOB procedure followed. Lifebuoys, lights, smoke signals, lifelines, markings, and securing arrangements should be regularly inspected, maintained in good condition, and kept unobstructed at all times. Proper stowage, visibility, readiness, and crew training are as important as carriage itself.